Hello everybody. Now today for your work you're going to be doing some written questions using averages. Okay? So you have to listen very carefully now as we go through these. Number 9. The average of three numbers is 12. What is the sum of these three numbers? Okay? When you see the word sum, it means add. Okay? So when you add these three numbers together, what do you get? Now we know that the average is 12. Okay? Now if we think back to getting average, you multiply or you add all the numbers together and you divide by the number of numbers. Okay? So to find the sum of these three numbers, I will multiply 12 by 3. Okay? Multiply 12 by 3, that would give me 36. So what is the sum of these three numbers? Your answer will be 36. Okay? B. If two of the numbers are 16 and 11, what is the third number? Now we already know the sum of the numbers is 36 because we multiplied 12 by 3 because we have three numbers. So if I add 16 and 11 together and take my answer from 36, that will give me the third number. Okay? Now I'll be giving you a little bit less information as we go along. Number 10. The average of four numbers is 17. What is the sum of the four numbers? Okay? Remember, we had three numbers up here, so I had to multiply by 12 by 3. So if I have four numbers down here, I multiply my 17 by, okay? If three of the numbers are 10, 18, and 21, what is the fourth number? So you've already multiplied 17 by this. Okay? And whatever that answer is, you subtract the sum of 10, 18, and 21. So I have to add the three of these together and minus it from the sum of the four numbers, which you calculated in A. Just 17 multiplied by this. Now, and it's similar down here. The average of four numbers is 14. So if we have four numbers, okay, we know we have to multiply 14 by 4. Okay, that's the first thing we have to do. Two of the numbers are 9 and 15, and the other two are identical. So they're like twins, they're the exact same. What are the four numbers? We already know one number and the second number. So we have to find two more numbers. Okay, so first thing you do is multiply 14 by 4. You subtract the sum of 9 and 15. Okay, and if it says the last two numbers are identical, whatever you get, you subtract the sum of 9 and 15, you must divide it by 2. You should get two of the same number. Okay, that's a little bit tricky one. I want you to try challenge yourself with this. Now here's the real challenge. If you feel up to it, I want you to try number 12 all by yourself. If you don't get number 12, that's perfectly okay. Focus on 9, 10, and 11. Number 12 is a question to really challenge yourself. It's a bonus question today. The average of five numbers is 19. When one of the numbers is removed, the average of the four remaining numbers is 18. What number was removed? Okay? If you feel like a challenge, I want you to go for that one today. Okay? Everyone must do 9, 10, and 11. And I want you to try 12 if you want to challenge yourself. Okay? Go through this video a couple of times if you need to. Do your work slowly and label everything as you go along. Best of luck.